Hi and welcome. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to create a user for your portal user account. The first thing you're going to do is log into your management portal. Then, once you're on your main page, you're going to scroll down and click on reseller users under portal user accounts. And now you can click on new user. And now you're going to enter the information you need to create a new user. First thing is, of course, the email. I'm just going to say demo@lucidview.net. And now you'll enter a password for that user. With the user role, you have two options. You have the administrator, which has full permission to create, retrieve, and delete any information on your portal. The reporting option, they can only pull reports. Then you're going to click Create User. And there you go. A new user profile has been created. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.